In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer text size and color in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to give your website a subtle tweak or a bold new look, customizing the footer text is a great place to start. Let's dive into the process and ensure your website represents your unique style. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website editor. This is the central hub where you can make all sorts of exciting changes to your site. Once you're there, you'll see the editing interface that allows you to make various modifications. The next step is to direct your attention to the footer section of your website. Click on Edit Site Footers. This is where you can start making direct edits to your footer content. By clicking here, you're starting a journey to give your website a personalized touch. Once in the footer, find the text you'd like to change and click on it. Doing this will open up editing options specific to the section you're working on. Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to focus on specific text elements. After clicking on the text, you'll notice an Edit button. Clicking this will open more options for you to modify the text to your liking. Now, you'll see an option labeled Scale Text. This is your gateway to adjusting the size and appearance of the footer text. You can use this feature to make your text stand out or blend in, depending on the overall vibe you're going for. After scaling your text, you might want to change the color for an additional layer of customization. Click on Colors. This will open color palettes that you can experiment with. Within the color settings, you'll see Custom. Selecting this option allows you to choose a specific color that's not part of the preset options. This is where you can really hone in on the exact shade you need to match your brand or aesthetic. Take your time to find the perfect color that complements your website's design. Once you've decided on the text size and color, it's important to save your changes. Head over to the top right corner and click on Yeah. This ensures that all your adjustments are stored securely and will be reflected on your live website. And that's it! By following these steps, you've learned how to edit the footer text size and color in Squarespace. This simple customization can have a big impact on the cohesiveness and professionalism of your site. Remember, the little details like footer design can make a significant difference in how your audience perceives your website. Thanks for watching and happy editing!